there, future nurse. Are you ready to level up your skills and confidence? This video is just the beginning. We have even more HESI practice tests and lessons waiting for you at allhealthcarecareers.com/YouTube. And the best part, it's completely free. So check it out and let's get you closer to passing your exams on the first try. Now let's get started.
Question 1. Lucrative is best defined as Option A, producing a great deal of profit. B, resulting in a significant loss. C, being of little value or importance. D, requiring a lot of hard work for little reward. The correct answer is A, producing a great deal of profit. A lucrative job, project, or deal is one that generates a substantial amount of income or profit. Question 2. Innovate is best defined as Option A, to follow traditional methods. B, to make changes by introducing new methods, ideas, or products. C, to resist change in all forms. D, to copy something that already exists. The correct answer is B, to make changes by introducing new methods, ideas, or products. Innovating means coming up with new and creative ways to do something or solve problems, often leading to improvements or new inventions. Question 3. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. Her argument was based on specious reasoning that couldn't be substantiated. Option A, scientific. B, misleading. C, logical. D, flawless. The correct answer is B, misleading. Specious means superficially plausible but actually wrong. The reasoning appeared to make sense but was in fact misleading and couldn't be backed up with evidence. Question 4. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. Her meticulous attention to detail ensured the project's success. Option A, hasty. B, precise. C, negligent. D, careless. The correct answer is B, precise. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. This quality helped ensure the project was successful. Question 5. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. Her laconic reply left many questions unanswered. Option A, lengthy. B, brief. C, confusing. D, detailed. The correct answer is B, brief. Laconic means using very few words. Her reply was so short and to the point that it didn't provide much information. Question 6. Tenacity is best defined as Option A, the tendency to give up easily. B, the quality of being very lazy. C, the quality of being able to stretch easily. D, the quality or fact of being very determined, determination. The correct answer is D, the quality or fact of being very determined, determination. Tenacity refers to a person's persistence and determination in continuing to strive in spite of difficulties. Question 7. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The lucid explanation helped everyone understand the complex theory. Option A, confusing. B, clear. C, lengthy. D, technical. The correct answer is B, clear. Lucid means expressed clearly, easy to understand. The explanation was so clear and straightforward that it made a complex topic understandable to everyone. Question 8. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The ephemeral beauty of the cherry blossoms is celebrated each year. Option A, permanent. B, colorful. C, fleeting. D, lasting. The correct answer is C, fleeting. Ephemeral means lasting for a very short time. Cherry blossoms are known for their brief but stunning display, hence their beauty is fleeting. Question 9. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The frugal man saved a considerable amount of money by avoiding unnecessary expenses. Option A, spendthrift. B, generous. C, economical. D. Wasteful. The correct answer is C. Economical. Frugal means sparing or economical as regards money or food. The man was able to save money by being careful about not spending on things that weren't necessary. Question 10. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. In medieval times, knights were expected to uphold chivalrous behavior. Option A. Reckless. B. Honorable. C. Cowardly. D. Unfriendly. The correct answer is B. Honorable. Chivalrous means behaving in a way that is honorable and polite, especially towards women. In the context of knights, it refers to their code of conduct, which includes being honorable. Question 11. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The novel's plot was convoluted, making it difficult to follow. Option A. Simple. B. Straightforward. C. Complex. D. Short. The correct answer is C. Complex. Convoluted means extremely complex and difficult to follow. The novel's plot was so intricately complex that readers found it challenging to understand. Question 12. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The obsolete technology was replaced by a new, efficient system. Option A. Outdated. B. Advanced. C. Broken. D. Rare. The correct answer is A. Outdated. Obsolete means no longer produced or used, out of date. The sentence indicates that the technology was old and has been replaced by something newer and better. Question 13. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The scientists made a pivotal discovery that changed the course of research. Option A. Insignificant. B. Critical. C. Expected. D. Delayed. The correct answer is B. Critical. Pivotal means of crucial importance in relation to the development or success of something else. Here it describes a discovery that was key to changing research direction. Question 14. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The quaint little town is known for its historic buildings and friendly people. Option A. Modern. B. Charming. C. Noisy. D. Crowded. The correct answer is B. Charming. Quaint means attractively unusual or old-fashioned. The town's appeal comes from its historic charm and the warmth of its community. Question 15. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The ubiquitous presence of smartphones has changed how we communicate. Option A. Rare. B. Limited. C. Everywhere. D. Obsolete. The correct answer is C. Everywhere. Ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere. The sentence highlights how smartphones, being everywhere, have significantly altered our communication habits. Question 16. Empathy is best defined as Option A. The ability to enforce rules strictly. B. The practice of avoiding emotional connections. C. The ability to understand and share the feelings of another. D. A skill in competitive environments. The correct answer is C. The ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Empathy involves putting yourself in someone else's shoes and experiencing what they are feeling, which helps in understanding their emotions and perspectives. Question 17. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. After years of arduous work, the team finally completed the project. Option A. Easy. B. Hard. C. Unnecessary. D. Quick. The correct answer is B. Hard. Arduous means involving or requiring strenuous effort, difficult and tiring. The project was challenging but was eventually finished due to persistent effort. Question 18. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. His candid remarks about the project were appreciated by the team. Option A. Dishonest. B. Truthful. C. Reserved. D. Critical. The correct answer is B. Truthful. Candid means truthful and straightforward, frank. His open and honest feedback on the project was valued by his team members. Question 19. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. The inexorable march of time affects all things. Option A, slow. B, stoppable. C, unavoidable. D, quick. The correct answer is C, unavoidable. Inexorable means impossible to stop or prevent. The sentence emphasizes that the passage of time is relentless and affects everything without exception. Question 20. Select the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. His voracious appetite for knowledge is the reason for his academic success. Option A, weak. B, insatiable. C, decreasing. D, selective. The correct answer is B, insatiable. Voracious means wanting or devouring great quantities of something. In this context, it describes an unending desire for knowledge, contributing to academic achievement.
Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was helpful. Click right here for more HESI practice test videos, or take your free HESI practice test right here.